So today we are playing pinball. I'm with my buddy Mike Gillette. Hadn't seen him in over 20 years. And we just communicated through Facebook, and we're old Army buddies, and we're going to play some pinball. Strikes and spares, just refurbished this machine. Everything's working pretty good on it, so let's have some fun. I ain't have shit. Well, and we're going to cuss.
And we wish you had a little bit more
freaking
fun.
Beers.
Oh, I saw that thing.
And we're sucking.
Certain ones, you can see it's just going right down the chute.
The time that we go to record the game, we're sucking, and the time that we were obliterating the game, we didn't record.
This is where I need one of those $100,000 rounds.
Absolutely.
I was just about to say, you almost got the spare.
Yeah, I was going to.
Go back to A. B.
Now we do have a little more pitch on the machine. We're sitting at 5.9 degrees.
Oh my goodness. This is bad.
And unfortunately the glass on this thing is really scratched up, but it's the weekend. I can't get new glass, so we'll get some new glass and put on it. Give me...
Saved it.
Luck.
You were doing good right there.
I thought started, man. You're gonna beat me, man. All you gotta get is 3,000 points. There it is. You got me, man.
This is one of those rounds I need.
Yeah, light bulb went out again. 100
Which one?
on the pop bumper. I'm gonna get in there with my fiberglass pen and clean that up.
I like it when it just does it all on its own. Oh! I should have said that.